fun guy. Heading out to Port Graves on Gambier Island in Howe Sound. North Vancouver here. Just left Marina, right there. It's a beautiful day, September 11th, 1996. Sorry, pardon me. 2016. Forward into the wheelhouse. Just in Burrard Inlet here, Vancouver Harbour. It's a Coast Guard boat going by. It's a nice day. Not very choppy. Just a lot of boat wakes. Everybody's out today. So I've got the autopilot on, which is why I'm walking around the boat without having to tend to the wheel. So I'll talk to you soon. There's something interesting to talk about. Hi there. So I've been out for about an hour. Just gone under the First Narrows Bridge. And I'm out in English Bay. See, there's a good westerly breeze. I used to go sailing in this all the time, which is great. And yeah, a little choppy for the boat. We're heading into it, but that's fine. It's a little more fun than when it's smooth. So there's North Vancouver right there. Boats fishing for salmon right now. Just hold it steady so you can see the incoming swells. And this is typical for English Bay. When I used to go sailing, I'd go out early in the morning and there'd be no wind till about 11 o'clock in the morning. And then from 11 till about 5, there was always a really nice westerly wind, which is what this is. And then after 5, it would die down. So rough here in English Bay is because it's quite shallow, and with an outgoing tide and an incoming wind, you get this short kind of steep chop. But it's very predictable in the summer, every day. It's kind of fun. The bow on this boat is probably about 3.5 feet. From the water line. I've actually buried it a couple times so far, so it's pretty steep, some of this. Just heading up Howe Sound now. It's calmed down quite a bit. Gambier Island off to that side. Show you out this window. That's the end of Bowen Island right there. And that's Gambier Island off in the distance where the sailboat is. So I'll be rounding that little island and waves on Gambier Island, which is one of the three main bays on the south side of Gambier. This is coming into Port Graves, which is the easternmost large bay at the south end of Gambier. There's Bill on Torfins too. We're heading to Bowen Island. Here comes Bill on Torfins, coming into Snug Cove on Bowen Island. I'm already tied up here. At the government wharf. Here he comes, nice and slow. It's the best way to do it. That's one good thing about our boats, is they go slow very well. Don't go fast too well, but that's another story. So this is the last day of our rendezvous. Perfect day. There's Gulf Mariner, there's Torfins, there's Bill.
Okay, go say hello to Uncle Lou.
Here comes Chico. Chico loves me. Hi Chico. Very excited.